I type one sentence, AI build the rest. Until last week, I had an events company in Germany running entirely on manual copy-paste. Every email that came in, ticket questions, venue inquiries, hi, when is the show? I was reading every single email, thinking about what to say, typing a reply one by one, every single day. Last week, I built something that does all of that for me now. It reads the email, figures out what the person needs, writes a reply in my name, and it waits. It does not send anything until I say yes. I built the whole thing by typing just one sentence. Plain English, no code at all. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I did it. Before I show you the actual build, I need to explain one word because it is everywhere right now and almost nobody explains it in a way that actually makes sense. AI agent. Most people have used ChatGPT or something similar to it. You type a question, it types back an answer. That's a conversation. You're still doing all the thinking, all the deciding, and all the acting yourself. The AI just helps you with the words. An AI agent is completely different. You do not have a conversation with it. You give a job to it and it does the job for you. Simple example. You want to fly to Berlin and you want to know if the flight is cheaper next Tuesday or next Friday. You ask ChatGPT. It says, here is how you check. Go to this website, compare the dates yourself. You still have to do it yourself. You tell an agent. It checks both dates, compares the prices and comes back. Tuesday is 40 euros cheaper. That's all. You did nothing except you gave the task. ChatGPT answers your question, an AI agent completes your task, one talks and the other does it for you. And right now, this month, April 2026, every major tech company just launched their version of AI agent. Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Anthropic, all of them at the same time. This is not something coming in next 5 years. This is happening right now. So, I run an events company in Germany. We bring Indian comedy shows and musical events to cities across Germany. On top of that, I have a full-time job as a data analyst. And every single show, same emails. Are tickets available? How much do they cost? What time is the show? Is there a parking available? Same questions, different people, every show, and it's been 4 years now. I work in tech and I build data pipelines at my actual job. I literally automate things for a living. And I was still copy-pasting all the email replies for my own business like it was 2010. Something had to change, right? Last week, I decided I'm going to build an AI agent for my event inbox. It reads every email, figures out what the person is asking for, writes a reply, and drops it in my Gmail drafts. And literally, nothing will be sent until I personally say yes. I used a tool called NRWEventss. It's a free workflow automation platform. And here's the part that genuinely surprised me when I opened it. It now has an AI builder. You describe what you want in plain English and it builds the entire workflow automatically for you. I just typed one sentence and it built the whole thing. Let me show you exactly what happened. This is N8N. This blank screen is where you normally build automations by dragging and connecting nodes manually. Watch what happens now. So now we have this AI builder built in. I describe what I want exactly in English, one sentence, and AI builds the workflow for me. I will show you exactly what I have already typed. So you can see whenever a new email appears in Gmail, send the email subject and body to cloud. A to read it and write a short, friendly, professional reply signed in as Nithya Babu from NRWEventss. Then save that reply as a draft in Gmail, and we need just 3 notes. So Gmail trigger and the cloud connection and the Gmail draft. So I'm just going to click on send. You can watch what is happening here or what has happened here. The first note, this is the Gmail note watching my inbox. The moment any email arrives here, this workflow will wake up. So this is the middle node, which is the cloud, which is the AI brain. It reads the emails and decides what it has to reply to it. And this is the last node, the Gmail again. This one saves the reply as a draft, so I can check it before anything goes out. 3 nodes connected and everything is configured, built from just one sentence. It took about 90 seconds, right? I've already set up where I've connected my Gmail and Cloud API before filming this, and it took around 5 minutes, and I will show you this in a separate video. For now, everything is live. I will also send a test email, NRWEventss. So I will just ask a ticket question for Cologne show. Hi, I wanted to know if tickets are still available for show in Cologne. Thanks. I'm going to use a dummy name. And now you see, right? NRWEventss. So I'm going to just send. Now in the background, what happened is we sent the email. The email was received. What has Cloud done? It's picked up that message and it has understood that it's a ticket query coming, and it has decided what it wants to say in my tone and also with the sign off. You can see here, right? You can see the complete email here. So now this is sitting in my drafts. Let's find one email sitting here. Let's go here and let's now click on the draft part. So what has Cloud written for us? Hi Tanmay, thank you for reaching out to NRWEventss. We're glad to hear you're interested in our upcoming show in Cologne. To help you get better, could you please share us a few more details? Which show are you referring to? Your preferred dates. Once we have these details, we'll be happy to check the ticket availability and guide you through the booking process right away. Looking forward to hearing from you. Regards, Nithya Babu, NRWEventss. That's the perfect email, right? That's what we wanted. The agent did all the reading, the thinking, the writing, but at the end, I stay in control. So that is what is AI agent. Okay, that's the bell, and it works. You just saw the draft appeared. That's real, and that happened just now. But I want to tell you something I did not show you in that demo. Before that worked, I hit 3 errors. The API was not connecting, the variables were not passing through, the draft was just coming out blank. I spent about 2 hours debugging the same. Once I understood it, it just took me 30 seconds to fix the same. I'm telling you this because if you try to build something like this and you hit errors, that's completely normal. That is not you failing, that is you learning. Every error I fixed made me understand the whole system better. By the end, I knew what every part was doing and why. I would never have had that if it had worked out perfectly for the first time. The agent now runs on my events company inbox. Real emails, real drafts, written in my tone and signed in as Nithya Babu. Writing and waiting in my Gmail every morning. I did not replace my judgment, I replaced my typing. And honestly, this is just the beginning. At the start of this video, I showed you this inbox, all those emails. And I said until last week, I was reading every single one manually. Same inbox, but different story. That is what one afternoon of building something new can do. The next thing I'm already thinking about is how do you teach an AI your actual voice? not a polished professional version of you, actually you. I do not have the answer yet, but when I do, it is going to be on this channel. Subscribe if you want to find out, and see you soon.